welcome back to the InScentive collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are getting into the house, Dries Van Noten. And today we have the last in the pack, and by no coincidence, by coincidence, it is Cannabis Patchouli. Y'all know how I feel about cannabis, so won't be that long of a video, but I will cover it because it is the last one, and you know, everyone deserves their fair share. So before we do anything, like, subscribe, and stay connected. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this. I brought it up, but I have not clicked on anything. So we're gonna go ahead and accept all those cookies. All the cookies. Yes. So, I mean, it's kind of middle of the pack. Nothing special about the bottle. This one's kind of middle of the pack. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh, wait. Oh, these are just images. 1 second. Where's the fragrance? Oh, I didn't even pull it out. So, here we go right here. Cannabis. Bam! Bam. Sorry if I'm all over the place. We're putting it together. Slowly but surely. Yes. I don't know why it's not taking me to... So we have a clear fragrance here. I don't know how I feel about clear fragrances. Okay, here we go. I don't know what that was about. So here we are, back to the actual site. So we're not gonna waste so much time. We're going to get this on the skin, get on the back of the wrist. And that's how you know that it has not been applied. There it is. All right. Don't need a whole lot of that. All right, so. Okay, I'm getting a lot of vetiver, which is nice. And cannabis. What? I mean, come on, what do you expect? Cannabis patchouli, and it smells like cannabis and patchouli. So, moving on from that, we have details. We have a wild and sensitive, unique crafted bottle made and certified perfect wood and forest green glass. Top notes: bergamot, cedar leaves. Heart notes: sage, incense, and patchouli. And in the base, you have vetiver and musk. Okay, there isn't actually a cannabis note listed. I am getting the vetiver, cedar leaves. Ah, man. So it's sage, incense, and cedar leaves and bergamot. I feel like I'm getting those, but not in not in any traditional format. This is 91% derived from natural ingredients. 91% natural ingredients, okay? And then in Dries' world, antagonistic elements are combined to create surprise. Oh, I'm sorry. Are combined to create and surprise. The fragrance is like a light and dark olfactive pattern of fresh green leaves, of clary sage aromatics rubbing against woody leaves of patchouli by Nicholas Bonville, the perfumer. There's something very nuanced going on in here, and I imagine this is going to change a lot over time. But this is a very green vetiver. It's a green vetiver, but it's not a piney, juniper berry / foresty green. It's more of your traditional vetiver. It's a strong vetiver fragrance. I never would have guessed that that's what this smells like. I'm not gonna lie, there was a hint of cannabis, but it only lasted for like a split second. And it was gone. So there's something else in here though. I can't quite place it. There's like a rubbery, like a burnt rubber smell. But not if you're familiar with Old Forte from Sauvage, that has a burnt rubbery smell. It's not like that though. Overall, I mean, it's okay. It's already evaporated, so I don't know how dense the oil concentration is. It's definitely changing. Yeah, I mean, you know, for me personally, this is it's a very strong rubber vetiver fragrance with a hint of cannabis that kind of comes in, comes out, but it's more like a rubbery smell, like a burnt rubber type of smell. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Overall, I mean, I don't think, I mean, this is out of the pack, this is probably the most vanilla fragrance in here. I'm trying to think. I've gone through all of these. And it's probably the most, I don't want to say basic, but it's definitely one of the most streamlined fragrances. Yeah, those are my thoughts, my opinions. What do you guys think? Have you tried this? I don't know if you guys know this or not, but typically I don't just immediately put out the review for the Discovery Kit. I'll wear all of these at least 3 or 4 more times. Sometimes more than that. I'll share them with other people. And really get like a deep opinion, not just each fragrance, but of the house, you know, and what I think. So a few of these I've already revisited a couple times. I'm not going to say what that is. That's going to be in the long-term review. But other than that, that's going to be it for this video. It's going to close it out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this fragrance, and whether or not you guys have tried it. Are you a fan of the Cannabis Accord? Let me know. Personally, this is not one of the more offensive cannabis notes. It's definitely more of a vetiver. I don't know why they didn't call it vetiver and patchouli, but I don't know. I guess that's for them to figure out. But that's it. Those are my thoughts. Those are my opinions. Let me know in the comment section below if you tried this one out. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.